Hoblitzelle to Russell Creek connector.
Might be able to catch her. I'm gonna catch her right here. Catch her right here.
We got Sherman? Nope. Is he chasing dogs? So you hit the stop sign, jog to the light, which is, you know, not very far, and then go up that way. So we just got to cross this. It's usually not a bad crossing. And when you come the other way, you have a light, and you just go into the parking lot here. So clear left, clear right. Hoblitzelle Trail to Russell Creek connector. We just turned left on Hedgecox, or Hedgecokes, some people say. I'm from Texas, so it's Hedgecox. And we turn right immediately on Dutchess. Now we're turning right on Needham. We're going to go down to where that car just turned. Find out what street that is. I never look at the streets, you know. I just know where to go. I've done it so many times. Castleford. All right, Castleford. And then we go up to Wimbledon. I do know that because it's not like a first street kind of thing. It's Wimbledon. I think it's 2nd Street. Could be the 3rd though. So you come here and you turn on Wimbledon. Nice, easy day.
Distance 7.0 miles. Duration 45 minutes and 21 seconds.
Bump. Bump.
Ooh.
I don't know what they're doing. I guess they're parking.
Yeah.
right, straight across. Now you could go down that little sidewalk, but there's metal edging.
Yeah.
And I just don't want to cut my tires on metal edging when I can do this. Alright, down there at the bottom is Russell Creek Trail. Be on there in a second. This is where you can't turn around.
Uh-oh. It's a long U-turn.
Impossible. Look at him.
Yeah.
God dang it.
His got indirect steering, but it's an older style.
Yeah, well, it works.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Oh, you good? You good?
You
Yeah,
suck.
no problem. Nice fight.
All right, so let me pause this. Let me get up on the other side here. And pause this. Ho, 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 ho. Get up the hill.